Okay, the date is January 14th, 2018. It is a Sunday. We are in Hamburg. I'm in my garage. Here's a piece of the garage. You can see the edges. See, there's my car. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I'm going to zoom out. That's kind of nice too. All right, so I don't have much battery life. I was surprised because when I first turned it on, it said full battery power. I'm like, cool, I like that. But in a few minutes, actually it dropped to half. So I don't know really how much battery I have in this. But I wanted to just get some winter scenes. Because, you know, it's another season and why not, right? And one of the things I want to do is I want to walk on that snow over there. Okay, and I'm going to do it quietly. I love the sound of walking on snow when it's really cold. I think most people do. The temperature outside is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and that usually gives it a better quality sound. So, and as you can see, the trees have no leaves on them, and the sky is blue. There is not a cloud in the sky. I love it. You know, it's a beautiful day in that regard. It's cold, but it's still really nice. One of the reasons why that I believe has happened is because the lake has frozen over. Now, one of the things I'm hoping to do is to get some pictures of the lake in a little while. But just before I do that, I want to catch some pictures around the house and do a little narrative. Okay, so I'm going to now walk onto the snow, and I'll be quiet so we can listen. Hopefully it'll be a nice sound. Here we go. Here's up the road. There's my neighbor, Cam and Claudia. That's a tree I looked at when I was doing the solar eclipse preview the week before. Okay, and Paul and Dave's house. Okay, and this is my house over here. And there are... It's got a new roof. I don't think I can see it. Okay, just a little piece there. It's all covered in snow, but at another time I'll go ahead and take a picture. What I can do is do the back where I put the siding on. Just listen to the snow. Okay, I'm gonna walk on some unswept snow. Hopefully I won't fall. Oh, it's deep here. Some animal tracks. Lots of animal tracks. Shadow. Whoa! Something slippery. And there's my new back. Costs about $10,000 just to get that part done. And coming around this side. Okay. I guess I'll continue. It's very difficult to see with this viewfinder when it's this bright. And I decided to step on my neighbor's driveway. I think you get better noise. Well, I take that back. There are clouds now. Ooh, that is painful. I don't have any gloves on. And we are getting some clouds now. Just a little while ago, they weren't there. This is my messy garage, which I definitely need to clean. Oh, my hands are so numb. Okay, how many minutes have we taken? 7. Alright. We'll go ahead and warm up the car, and then I'll shut off. So it's kind of a neat little ending. I can insert the keys. Okay. Alright. So with a little bit of luck, be able to take some pictures of the lake. See you then. Bye.